Okay, so what's a random stream and why do I want to know? Um, so here's two collections of cubes made with blueprints. This one is not using a random stream and this one is. So when I move this one, the one not using a random stream will get a new random value every time I move it, while this one is simply controlled by a seed value. So I have control of, finding a variation that I like, and then it stays. Okay, so what's the difference? So first, let's have a look at this one uh, without the random stream. Um, in the construction script. So what I'm doing here is I'm just looping up to an integer number of things, and since it's zero based, of course I do -1 here. Um, I multiply the index with 100, like 1 meter, and for y, and I get the random float in range between 0 and 1 for the height, or c, and then I add a static mesh component with that transform. So that all looks good, but of course it's not what we want because you get all this kind of too random behavior. uh, so how to fix that and make this one? I just go into this one and do that. So first of all, we need to create the random stream. So how I do that is I right click and write make random stream. Um, and I promote the stream. Let's call it R stream or something. Store it here. And I only want to do this once. I only need one random stream. Um, and also I like to promote the seed, and also make that public or instance editable, so you can edit it in the level. All right, and then instead of using the random float in range, I'm going to get another one. Random float in range from stream. And then I simply plug my stream in here and put 100 in here in the max value. That of course is whatever you want. And check it out. All right, so it's done. So that's a quick video, and I hope it was helpful to you. And thank you for looking.